What's the meaning of clucky? Clucky. Clucky.
Clucky. Clucky. The term clucky is typically used to describe a feeling of strong maternal instinct or desire to have children in women. It's similar to the phrase baby fever. When someone is feeling clucky, they may experience heightened emotions around babies and children, feeling an intense desire to hold, care for, or be around them. This term is often used in casual conversation or slang, and can be a light-hearted way to express someone's current emotional state regarding their desire to start a family.